Hello and thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to be putting together a tablescape for Christmas, and my theme is going to be sort of like a winter wonderland. So I'm going to be mixing metals using silver and gold and a little bit of cream and maybe another color. Let's see how it turns out. So if you'd like to see how it's going to come together, then just keep watching.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby.
Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please don't leave today without hitting that like button and the subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And if you are a returning family member, thank you so very much for coming back by. I appreciate your support, and I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.